Hey everyone, welcome back to Guidify. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our tips and tricks. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way to find the Wi-Fi password of the network you're connected to on your Android phone. It's super easy, so let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Then, scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi to open the Wi-Fi settings. Next, tap on the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. You'll see an option that says Tap to Share Password. Go ahead and tap on it and a QR code will appear. Now take a screenshot of the QR code by pressing the power and volume down buttons together. Once you've got the screenshot, close the QR code window and open the Google search bar. Tap on the camera icon in the search bar and upload the screenshot you just took. And there you go, the Wi-Fi password will be displayed right there on your screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Guidify for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching.